Have you ever wondered, how does an old helicopter over 50 years old still serve as a backbone for Russian military operations on a modern battlefield like Ukraine? How can a machine born in the Cold War era still break through combat zones filled with high-tech defenses, advanced missiles, and lethal drones? Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating story behind the Mi-8 helicopter. More than just a transport vehicle, but a versatile war machine full of surprises. From its strategic roles, unique variants that keep it relevant, to operational tactics that make it hard to beat against modern defense systems. If you want to understand how this historic helicopter survives and adapts in the fast-paced, deadly wars of today, stick with us till the end. Because this information isn't just for military buffs, it's for anyone who wants to grasp how technology and strategy intertwine on today's battlefield. The Mi-8 first appeared in the early 1960s and quickly became one of Russia's most successful helicopter models. With a large carrying capacity up to 24 soldiers and 4 tons of cargo, the Mi-8 was designed as a workhorse, a versatile transport that could handle any condition. What makes the Mi-8 fascinating is its adaptability. Over time, it didn't just stay a transport helicopter, it evolved into a combat platform capable of surviving on a modern battlefield full of threats. This proves that its design and construction are incredibly robust and flexible, allowing for various upgrades and tech improvements even today. Russia doesn't rely on just one Mi-8 type. They have many variants tailored to different combat needs. One of the most famous is the Mi-8 AMTH Terminator, armed with Ataka anti-tank missiles, rockets, and armored protection to shield the crew from enemy fire. There's also the Mi-8 MTPR-1 variant, specialized in electronic warfare. Equipped with jammers and devices to disrupt enemy radar, this helicopter helps other aircraft operate more safely and effectively. Other variants include versions used for medical evacuation, reconnaissance, and VIP transport. Thanks to these variants, the Mi-8 is a multi-purpose helicopter ready for a wide range of military operations. When the war in Ukraine erupted, the Mi-8 immediately showed its vital role. Its main function is to transport troops and equipment to strategic locations hard to reach by land vehicles. Russian special forces, like the Spetsnaz, often use the Mi-8 to infiltrate, sabotage, and launch quick strikes behind enemy lines. Armed variants also launch light air attacks using rockets and anti-tank missiles, targeting armored vehicles, artillery, and enemy command centers. The helicopter acts as an airborne extension of ground forces, significantly boosting mobility and firepower. Besides attack and transport, the Mi-8 plays a crucial role in medical evacuation. As fighting intensifies, quickly evacuating wounded soldiers to medical facilities is key to saving lives. Mi-8s are equipped with special medical gear for these missions, allowing for fast treatment right on the battlefield. On the other hand, the Mi-8 MTPR-1 variant handles electronic warfare duties by jamming enemy radar and communications, protecting helicopters and planes from detection and attack. This role is strategic for maintaining smooth air operations in highly dangerous zones. On today's battlefield, the threat of portable missiles and drones makes helicopter operations very risky. Russia relies on a low-flying tactic called nap-of-the-earth flying, where helicopters fly extremely close to the ground, following the terrain's contours. This tactic helps the Mi-8 avoid enemy radar and reduces the chance of being hit by medium-range missiles. By flying through trees, valleys, and buildings, the Mi-8 can reach its targets much more safely. This strategy, combined with electronic warfare support, allows the helicopter to operate effectively despite sophisticated threats. In attack operations, the Mi-8 often uses hit-and-run tactics. It approaches the target quickly, drops off troops, or fires rockets, then immediately pulls back before the enemy can react. This method minimizes exposure time to enemy fire and missiles. In many missions, the Mi-8 is also backed by electronic warfare variants that activate jammers to disable enemy radar and tracking systems, increasing mission success chances. Drone technology also plays a critical support role for the Mi-8. Recon drones like the Orlan 10 gather real-time intelligence, monitor enemy positions, and identify air defense locations. This intel helps Mi-8 pilots choose the safest routes and avoid threats. Additionally, Russia uses forward arming and refueling points, resupply spots near the front lines. This allows Mi-8s to rotate missions quickly without returning to distant bases, keeping operational tempo high. Despite all strategies and support, the Mi-8 faces serious threats in Ukraine. Man-portable air defense systems, MANPADS, are highly effective at shooting down low-flying helicopters, especially during vulnerable moments like landing or unloading troops. Ukrainian kamikaze drones also target Mi-8s with high accuracy. Modern Western-supplied air defense systems like NASAMS, Buk, and IRIS-T make the risk of losing Mi-8s even greater. Reports indicate dozens of Mi-8 units have been shot down, highlighting the extreme dangers in current operations. The Mi-8's main strength lies in its numbers and flexibility. Mass production means Russia can deploy dozens at once, applying massive pressure on enemy defenses. Its diverse variants allow it to meet many different operational needs, from transport to electronic warfare. However, advanced missile and drone threats remain a major weakness. High loss rates force Russia to continually develop new tactics and protective technologies for these helicopters.